everyone. So today's recipe is going to be some delicious pork riblets simmer in some rich flavorful gravy. This was just absolutely delicious. So here I have these nicely washed riblets. I'm going to cut them into chunks, and if you're not a fan of pork, this recipe is great with the beef as well. So now I'm going to season with some salt, my mixed blend, some all-purpose seasoning. Just use your favorite seasoning, also some green seasoning, a bit of browning. And a few people were asking, what is browning? Well, this is it. It's caramelized burnt sugar, and this gives your dish a beautiful caramel color. Know that this is nicely mixed in. Also gonna add some minced garlic and ginger, and I'm gonna allow this to sit and marinate for at least 1 hour, so all these flavorful herbs and spices will be able to soak within. So after the ribs have been sitting and marinating, now it's time to cook. So now to a pot, I'm going to add some cooking oil along with some sugar, and I'm going to allow the sugar to burn a bit and become caramelized. Now in with the ribs, and this is also another method to acquire that beautiful brown color with the meat and poultry. And here now is where you want to mix well as to soak up the caramel brown and the fragrance from the herbs and the fresh ginger. Smells amazing. And you really don't want to add any form of liquid to this as yet, giving it a few minutes to cook in its own juice, just as how you would a delicious pot roast, and allowing this to render its fat gives great flavor. Also gonna cover this for a couple of minutes. This is smelling amazing. Oh my goodness. So know that this has rendered down its fat and we have acquired that beautiful caramelized color. It's time to make a delicious gravy. So now in with some water along with some tomato sauce and some fresh seasoning, and I'm going to cover this down and I'm going to allow it to simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes until the ribs are juicy and tender. And that's it. Quick, easy, simple recipe. Absolutely delicious. I'm going to serve this over some mashed potatoes and broccoli, but this could go with anything of your choice. I really want to thank you so very much for watching, and remember, if you like this video, do not leave without clicking the like button. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed, please do.